about the camp?
The camp is great. A great coach. We got a great coach. You should come, sign up.
A dream. So that's all I'm saying. He's a good, really coach, and he really help people.
He's a great coach, sir. I'm 4K trained, and all these people, I like to help them get better at soccer because I want them to also be great soccer players like me. Because I'm humble and like to help people like this. Help them out, be better players overall. If you meet, and this camp is great for that. If you meet, help out people like this that don't know how to play like me. Help them out. Come here. Can you put the camera on them people right there? I help them people out every day. They're not that good, right? But I like to help them out because I'm such a humble person. This is a great camp. Come check it out.
All right, we got you. Thank you.
So my name is Samuel. Fitumukiza is a long name, you won't be able to pronounce it right. So I go to Iroquois. The reason why I come to this camp is to get better, to develop my skills, my playing, my mentality of playing in a real actual game. That's it.
Well, it's not just a soccer player. I want to play professional, but I also want to be a patient care tech because I feel like I'm fit in both fields.
Oh, okay, awesome. And how long you been coming here at this camp?
I've been here since the camp started, so for 5 years.
Okay, so for people who want to support this camp financially, what are you telling them? Give them a message.
I would just say you're always welcome. We're always here. There's a lot of us, and we might need your help. So if you think about it, you look at the field. Most of us here, some of us may not have some stuff and might need it. So if you can provide that, then you're always
fine. So you'll be coming for the whole summer?
Yes, from 2021.
Okay.
2022. Simon, I'm from Rwanda, right? So I came to this camp because it helps really good. My first time coming here was 2019, right? I really improved. I came here when I was a kid, right? So now I'm going up right now.
You're going up.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I go to Dust High School.
Dust High School.
Yep.
So what do you want to be when you grow up?
I'm be a great soccer player.
The African in America soccer camp. We've been doing this camp for the last 6 years now, and it's free for the kids. We have about 200 kids right now. As you can see here, there's 100 kids over here right now, and then the rest they in and out. It's in and out. This camp is free for all the kids that come. We give them rides in the morning and then take them back. We got lunch, water, all that stuff that they need, all the necessary things that they need here at the camp.
How you coming here?
My name is Joseph. I go to Olmsted and I come here to have fun, get better at soccer.
My son Khalid Yusuf Umar, he participated in this camp. It's been very helpful for him. He's been getting a lot of physical activities in here, has been helping him develop a lot. Also, there's a mental advice available in the morning as well. I think a lot of parents should come here, participate in this.
So guys, again, this is, as you watch the video, you learn a lot about this camp. You learn about the ages, the countries, what's happening. We show you, as I'm with this Nini, who's the founder, we are asking you support. Whatever you can support financially is the biggest, I will say. For me, he needs